Hello. So, um, yeah, I was playing around all day with these speakers, finally in stereo. Um, I played with filters. I'm using a 6 dB per octave filter right now, so very simple. And I finally measured on my listening position with the Omni mic, and well, 50 Hertz has a 14 dB boost. So that's not nice. And no wonder things sound kind of weird if I'm sitting on my listening position. So I compensated for around 12 dB because well, they're tiny woofers and I can use the 2 dB extra, I think. I don't know. This time the recorder is standing as much as possible against the wall where I usually sit, because the couch is sitting against the wall and there is some dampening behind it, but it doesn't do anything for low end, of course. The recorder is really, it's sitting on my couch. That's the reason why the camera is on an angle this time, because it cannot stand behind the recorder because there's a wall. And I don't know, I think there are still a lot of things I want to change, especially segmentation, because now I'm filtering on the DSP, but with segmentation I filter the same amount of high end from the panels, but it increases dispersion. So now at this moment it is filtered, but it doesn't increase dispersion. So even if I'm a little off with the mics, it sounds well, it will hang to one channel, like left or right. So I definitely need to fix that for sure, but well, for now it's not really a big deal. But this is, for me, I've tried many things, like a gazillion types of speakers and a gazillion types of configurations, and it sounds almost like I'm saying this all the time. But I think this is the best sounding one, actually. Really is the best sounding one. So I might, well, fuck it, I'm not gonna tell you what I might, because you never know. But yeah, I think this is by far the best sounding one. The only thing is that if you stand up, the whole image is gone and your sound sucks. But if you're sitting down, it is quite impressive. And also the minus 12 dB at 50 Hertz helps a lot to clean up the whole soundstage. At least for me, as I'm listening. I'm not sure, the recording is not gonna pick it up, I think, because the recorder has sort of a high pass from 150 or 200, so it doesn't pick up low end as good as my ears, of course, or an omnidirectional mic. So it's still, you know, it is a recording and it's still by far ideal. And also you got a lot of room noise, which you don't get, like, I mean, like honky sound, which you actually don't get when you're sitting there. Still, the room sucks, that's for sure, so it can be much better, I think. But yeah, I have a room, and this is the room I have to deal with, I guess. Let's play a tune. Let's fire up the recorder first. Hello? Okay, clapping is kind of weird now, so I have to clap here. I'm gonna close my window because there's some children shouting. Some people cutting stuff. Hi, boys. So it's gonna be Z Avi. Don't worry, be happy. We all know this song, but it's a little bit different. Who's sitting next to the camera? I hope that works. Well, there we go. I'm gonna run out of the room and see what all the messages are that I heard like 2 minutes ago. There we go.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you will make it double. Don't worry, honey, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. But don't worry, just be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry, just be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't even either gotta make you smile. But don't worry, baby, just be happy. 'Cause when you worry, your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So don't worry, honey, just be happy. And don't worry, be happy now.
I hope I managed to talk over it.
Don't you worry, honey, just be happy, honey. If you think that you're starting to worry, just listen to this song. Now we'll try to make you happy.
So it is about 2.5 meters away from the recorder, I think. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I could get the measurement thingy out. No, it's not a little bit more, but it is around 235. So there's a difference. When I recorded the mono setup, I was like half the distance or something, maybe less. What's up? Puss is going wild. What is that, Puss? Oh. Oh. Okay, well, see you around. I'm gonna, I don't know, feed the cat, I guess.